Morning students, how are you? Welcome to Maths class 5 chapter 5 fractions, multiplication and division part 4, multiplication of mixed fraction. Today we will know how to multiply mixed fractions. To multiply mixed fractions, we first convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and then multiply as usual. After that, convert the answers back to a mixed fraction. We simplify first if required. Let's see some examples. Exercise 5.2, question number 3. Multiply the given numbers. Number A, 1 whole 5 by 7 into 3 equal to, first we convert into improper fraction. We multiply whole number by denominator and add numerator. So 1 into 7 plus 5 by 7 into 3 by 1. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. Next step, 1 7 just 7 plus 5 by 7 into 3 by 1. Now next step, 7 plus 5, 12 by 7 into 3 by 1. Now 12 by 7 is improper fraction. Now mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. So now question is 12 by 7 multiply by 3 by 1. Now we can multiply as we multiplied fraction earlier, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Now students, 12 into 3 by 7 into 7. 12 3 ja 36 by 7 1 ja 7. 36 by 7 is improper fraction students, because 36 is greater than 7, numerator is greater than 7, so this is improper fraction. This is answer in improper fraction and you can convert it into mixed fraction. 36 by 7, so 7 5 ja 35, 5 is the quotient, so right here, and 1 is the remainder, so 1 as numerator and 7 is the denominator. So answer in mixed fraction is 5 whole 1 by 7. This way you can multiply mixed fraction. See next question, 4 whole 1 by 5 into 5 by 9. So first convert it into mixed fraction. You can convert directly also by reading the table. 4 5 ja 20 and 20 plus 1 21. So you can write 21 divided by 5. Directly you can do into 5 by 9 equal to, now multiply numerator into numerator. So 21 into 5 divided by 5 into 9. Now first cancel the common factor. See 5 and 5 will be cancelled. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. And 21 and 9 has common factors 3. So divide it by 3. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 7 ja 21. Now there is no common factor of numerator and denominator. So multiply it. 7 into 1 divided by 1 into 3 equal to 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is in improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So you can convert it into mixed fraction. This can be the answer. This can be the answer, or you can write 3 2 ja 6, 2 whole 1 by 3 as mixed fraction. Both can be the answer. It is better to convert into mixed fraction if the answer is in improper fraction. Now next question, question number I, 6 whole 3 by 5 into 3 whole 2 by 3. So first convert them into improper fraction. You can do it directly. 6 5 ja 30, 30 plus 3 33. You can write 33 divided by 5. Multiply 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 2 11 by 3. Now multiply numerator by numerator. 33 into 11 divided by 5 into 3. Now cancel the common factors students. See 11 3 ja 33 means 33 and 3 have common factor 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 11 ja 33 means 11 3 ja 33. Now 11 into 11 in numerator and denominator 5 into 1. There is no common factor. So multiply 11 into 11 by 5 into 1 equal to 11 11 ja 121 by 5. This is in improper fraction. You can convert it into mixed fraction, or this can be the answer. You can write this answer also, or you can convert divide 121 by 5. 5 2 ja 10, 2 carry 1 21, 5 4 ja 20 means 24 whole, 1 will be the remainder by 5. 24 5 ja 120 plus 1 121 by 5. So this can be the answer in mixed fraction. See one more question, students. 28 by 27 into 2 whole 1 by 4. The first is improper fraction. So write it 28 by 27 into, convert this into improper fraction. 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 4. Now multiply numerator 28 into 9 by denominator 27 into 4. Now cancel the common factor. See 9 and 27. 9 and 27 have common factors 9. So divide them. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. And 4 and 28 have common factor 4. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 7 ja 28. Divide both of them by 4. So we get the answer 7 into 1 in numerator and 3 into 1 in denominator equal to 7 by 3. It is in improper fraction. You can convert it into mixed fraction. 3 2 ja 6, 2 quotient, 1 will be remainder. The 2 whole 1 by 3. This can be the answer. This also can be the answer in improper fraction. 7 by 3 will be in improper fraction and 2 whole 1 by 3 is in mixed fraction answer. Now see some property based questions, students. Properties of multiplication of fractions. Number A, 51 by 64 into 0. The property is, students, a fraction when multiplied by 0 results in 0. So the answer will be 0. 8 by 5 into 3 by 7. This is the order property of multiplication of fractions, students. See 8 by 5 into 3 by 7 equal to dash into 8 by 5. See, you can see 8 by 5 is in the left side and in the right side. So right side and left side will be equal. So 3 by 7 is in left side. So in right side also 3 by 7 should be there. So the answer is 3 by 7 because product of left side should be equal to product of right side. And two fractions can be multiplied in any order. So 8 by 5 into 3 by 7 equal to 3 by 7 into 8 by 5. Now see 2 by 7 into dash into 5 by 8 equal to 2 by 7 into 1 by 3 into 5 by 8. You can see, students, 1 by 3 here is missing. After watching right side you can see that 1 by 3 is there. So fill 1 by 3. Next, number D, 1 into 75 by 93. So any fraction multiplied by 1 is the fraction itself. So the answer is 75 by 93. Next, dash into 9 by 11 equal to 9 by 11 into 6 by 13. This is again order property, students. 6 by 13 is here. And next, dash into 98 by 101 equal to 98 by 101 into 5 by 7. Again 5 by 7 is missing here. So you can fill using the properties. For this much for today, students. If you like my YouTube channel and videos, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.